So like every question, you have to design first the function. And if you read the question says that the function name is this 2 and it will receive a integer argument. That means you have to write like def 2 and then one integer argument. I have taken x, you can take any number. Then after that, according to the function, what you have to do, you have to find the sum of all the digits and the length of the number. So here I am taking two variable. Now converting your x, suppose that if the value in the x we are considering 1 2 3, convert into the string, it will become as like this. Now it is in a string value stored in which variable? A variable. Now if I am finding the length of the string, it will return the value, that is 3. Now I am using a for because it is easy. Now what is a? A is having 1 2 3 value. This is the value of a. One number will come in b. The first value of b will be 1. Converting it to integer. Why? Because this time it is what? It is a string. You cannot add a string, so we have to convert it into integer. That means 1 plus 0, it will be 1. And again the loop will go up. Second value 2. 1 plus 2, it will be 3. Again then 3 plus 3, it will be 9. After that it is returning 2 statement. As if you read the question, it is stated that you have to return two values, the length of the number and the sum of all the digits. So L is the value which is having length and S is the value which is having the sum. So this is your complete function definition, which is doing all the things and returning two value from this point till this point. Every time first you have to write the function definition. Now think about the main coding. As I told you in the earlier program also, we are having one argument here. It means at least one value we have to input. We have to input one value. This is the value. Now we are invoking our function 2. As you know, this is a returning type of function. So it must be used with some of the statement or variable to receive a value. If something is returning, there must be something to receive it. Okay, as the function is returning two values, so I am receiving it in a 2 variable. Okay, now take a run. That if you will invoke it, this y will be get transferred into x, and the same process will be handled as I told you in this code with the steps. Then after that, the len and where the value will be returned, exactly the same place. So it will receive two value, that is ln s. Now the L will be transferred into f and L will be transferred into p. So when you will print this for this input, then the total number of digit is 3. As the length, if you will find, length is how many total character in this one? 3. And the digit sum will be 6.